Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making crack burgers with crack sauce. Let's go! Okay, you can put away your suspicious vials that are actually full of sea salt. We're talking about ranch powder and bacon. I know, right? What are we going to do with this flagrant false advertising? Now that we've got the obvious jokes and references to The Simpsons out of the way, let's go ahead and make our sauce. We'll make the burger later, but it's a smash burger, so that means we want to have everything ready going in. Right? Right. So for our crack sauce, we want half a cup of mayo, tablespoon of dill pickle relish, teaspoon of ranch dressing powder, teaspoon of hot sauce. I like Cholula in general. I've never made crack burgers or crack sauce before. This seems like a pretty standard burger sauce, though. Though personally, I like mayo and Thousand Island. Big Mac kid. Mix them together until it looks like a burger sauce. Tastes like a burger sauce. Good, that's what it is. You should know that this sauce is very ranch forward. So if that's not really your bag, then might want to skip this one. I'm going to let this rest in the fridge while I do the rest. 1.5 pounds of ground beef, to which we've added half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. I blew the take, so you don't get to watch me add it. 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. That's the rest of this packet, plus some of this one that I bought just in case. Glad I bought it. Never run across this before, but we're adding 3 tablespoons of full-fat sour cream to the mix. You'll also need a teaspoon of Whoopsie Toopsie sauce, Worcestershire. Then we've got 5 strips of bacon, crumbled. I'll be honest with you, Internet. I cooked 8 strips of bacon because I'm weak. And we're throwing that in there too. So I watched a video where a guy put that in raw, and it works. You can cook it like that. The problem is that you're not going to get the crispy crunchy. And the whole point of cooking the bacon is to get the crispy crunchy and also to render some of that fat so that it's not making the burger oilier. Anyway, get in there and mix it all together. Now the challenge here is that over mixing it can make it tough, but under mixing it means that you're not going to get all of the delicious flavors together. So just do the best you can. Then we're going to divide it into 8 3-ounce balls. Ooh, not bad. 3.27. I'll take it. Obviously, you want to get them as close as you can. Don't drive yourself crazy, though. And in a move that's sure to defy physics, I wound up with 9 balls in spite of following the directions exactly and using a scale. So I don't know. Now you're going to need something to press the burgers with. Now, this recipe calls for them to be about 1/4 of an inch thick once you crush them down. Usually when I do smash burgers, I heat the skillet till it's smoking, and I smash it until I need a razor to get it off, and you have kind of an umami bomb. This doesn't really seem to do that, and that's okay. That just means that it's a different style of smash burger than what I usually use. The instructions do, however, say to use a sharp turner, so that does imply to me that, you know, you are supposed to smash the dickens out of it. So, first ball down. Smash. "60 seconds one side. Pull off our parchment. Pinch of pepper. 60 seconds. Flip it. Second ball. Recipe says cheddar cheese. I'm going to throw some American on there. And then throw one on top of the other. You know, usually with smash burgers, you serve them right away. I'm going to make a couple and have them for lunch. Note that if you do it right, you should still see the cheese and all kinds of stuff in there. This would be better if I got the flat top out. Remember, smash burgers are serious business. You want to get your burger ready before you cook your burger. I know, that sounds insane, but trust me. So I'll show you that one more time. Parchment, burger smasher. Press it down. Pepper. Throw the other ball in. No fear, reckless abandon. Smash that one too. Again, most of the time I like to go until they're like paper thin. Until you get the Maillard against the meat. You should have burnt crunchy bits. But that's okay, we don't always get what's preferred. Slice of cheese on the cooked one. Flick the one that's not done yet. In fact, throw that on top of there. Flip the whole thing. Little bit more crack sauce on the top. And a bunch more pickles. Throw it on the burger. Crown it off. Let's see how we did. Obviously, as the owner of a YouTube channel with very few views, I eat a lot of hamburgers. And I can tell you, this is a good one. You can kind of taste the sour cream. And the ranch is kind of on the edge there, but you just can't place it. I'm going to go finish this. Jerkins, let me know if my opinion changed here. But for the rest of you, like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite burger is. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.